So welcome back guys to a new video. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing about Euro USD on 20th May 2025 Tuesday. Uh, a trade setup that happened on New York local time, New York section. Okay, sorry. So this is what you are looking at is a 15-minute chart of Euro USD. And before going to smaller time frame, I want to show you something. Okay, so you have a 4-hour fair value gap up here. Okay, you have the buy side here. Okay, this is the daily buy, this is extra days buy, that is Monday's buy. We are currently in Tuesday. Okay, 20. This is the buy that happened on sorry, this is the buy side of today, extra day. Okay, we are in a and 4-hour fair value gap respected the midpoint of the 4-hour fair value gap. And I want you to have this take a look at this low. Okay, and that is 8:15 p.m. sorry, 8:30 p.m. Monday with respect to 8:30 8:15 p.m. Tuesday. Okay, so I think you have noticed these two laws. Okay, keep in mind. So now we are going to GBP's chart. Okay, I think you see this was the 8:30 slow Monday. This was 8:15 slow when Tuesday or today or 20th. Okay, so basically what we are looking at here is this law was taken out in GBP, but that same law was not taken out in euro. GU was able to take out this law, but EU was not able to take out this law. So this GU and EU are really correlated pairs. Okay, I just want to have a understanding of correlated pairs. I think you can go to some of my previous video and just check what is that. I don't have time to explain it now. Okay. So when this was not able to take out this low, sorry, this movement was not able to take out this low, but in GU it was able to take out this low. Okay, keep in mind that. And we are in a 4-hour fair value gap. Don't forget that thing. And just keep in mind we have these minor lows here. Okay, you have one minor low. These are the two minor lows. Okay, and I don't really trade GU. I used to trade EU. Okay, so just consider these three minor lows. Okay, so we will just jump to 1 minute chart. This was the low SMT divergence. Okay, I want you to have a look at here. Okay, it is 8:30. Before 8:30, it was able to take out. It was not able to take out that low, but G was able to take out that low on this moment. Okay, created a relative equal highs, relative equal lows. So our bias was bullish. My bias was bullish. Okay, I don't want to take a trade onto the downside while the market is bullish. Okay, so look out this two relative equal highs. There is a short time high here. Okay, there is this short time high here with this fair value gap here. Okay, so I want you to keep a notice how the market reacted up here. So there is this fair value gap which got completely respected. Okay, so here is a relative equal loss. Market went through the relative equal loss short time high, took out that short time high with a fair value gap, and it was able to go above these two relative equal highs also, and market came down. Okay, on the and I have told you should be always try to take an entry below 830. Okay, so with respect to that, I want to show you GU's chart. Okay, and mark up this low and this lows. Okay, Hmm. I told you what I told you. Mark to market that this low and uh, just 846 and 922. Okay, 846 922. 846. Sorry, 846 922. Where is 922? Here. And if you just look closely, GU was able to take out this low, but U was not able to take out that low. Okay, so again there is a divergence, and in EU there are also the same structure happening. Relative equal highs taken out. Low. Now it was able to take out this low. You could have ended in GU also, but I prefer EU. So basically, I don't want you to complicate it much. Okay, so you see this relative equity was taken out. So all the what do you say stop losses the people put here was taken out and was able to take out this short term high. So there is a clear market structure shift here. Okay, and this there is an open fair value gap here too. So you can directly take an entry when market comes to this fair value gap, making stops below the bodies of this one, and you can target the short term high. There are the three highs I think I have marked here. Can max to max you should have targeted this high. Okay. So I think it has already hit our target. Fine, everything is fine. Okay, and this is the maximum or the final target. I think that's also hit. Yeah, but the target was just next day. So that was a trade on EU on 28th May 2025. Okay. So if you have any queries, and don't complicate here that much. Okay. And I know in this video I have talked about some complication about this here, but this is fine. This is really fine. If you can just understand what I have told you here, that's the price action that happened here. I'll just say one more time. Okay. You have these equal highs. Okay. Don't consider this week as taken out. This still considered as and relative equal highs. Okay. And you have the relative equal lows here. Market went down to take out the stops or this relative equal lows, consolidated some, end up higher, taking this short time high, creating an MSS or market structure shift with a fair value gap that is still open and another fair value gap which is filled. And if you just look at from this low to this high, this fair value gap is comes under this midpoint of this swings. Okay, so it is in a discount array. And sorry guys, there was a small small distraction that second. Okay, sorry, I was talking about this high was taken out and the fair value gap was in a discount area, so you could take directly an entry from this fair value gap, or you could say you could take an entry from this candle. Okay, after touching this candle, it closed here. That's a bullish candle, so you can take an entry here. You want just to be confident somewhat, okay, and you can make your stops here and target the same. Okay. The first target was somewhere around here. Can take that as a first target and you can continue as I told to the buy side. Okay. So that's all for the video today. So we will be meeting the next video. Okay, so bye.